Emergency savings are shrinking for many Americans, and the numbers reveal a worrying trend. Having a financial cushion for unexpected costs has always been a cornerstone of sound money management. Yet more people today are falling short of this crucial safety net. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite widespread advice to build a robust emergency fund, a significant portion of the population is either saving less or not saving at all. According to a recent survey by the budgeting app Empower conducted in June, 1 out of every 3 Americans admits they don't have any emergency savings at all. Even among those who do save, the median amount set aside is just $500. To put that in perspective, this figure has actually dropped by $100 compared to the $600 median reported in the same survey a year earlier. This decline signals growing financial vulnerability, especially as everyday expenses continue to rise. Rebecca Rickert, Empower's head of communications, points out that this trend reflects a broader financial strain many households are experiencing amid inflation and increasing prices. When the cost of essentials like food, housing, and utilities climbs, it becomes harder for families to put money aside for emergencies, leaving them exposed to financial shocks. Interestingly, this isn't just a problem for lower-income earners. Even higher-income individuals who regularly contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks are reporting smaller emergency savings. A recent BlackRock survey found that full-time workers with at least $5,000 saved in their retirement accounts now hold a median emergency fund of $20,000, down $5,000 from the previous year. This drop among those who might be expected to have more financial stability raises important questions about the broader economic pressures at play. So, how much should you really aim to save for emergencies? Financial experts typically recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. For example, if your monthly costs for rent, groceries, and bills total $3,000, your emergency fund should ideally be between $9,000 and $18,000. But if that sounds overwhelming, don't worry. Starting with enough to cover just your essential expenses for 3 months is a practical and achievable goal. Allison Basso, a certified financial planner with Hayden Wealth Management, emphasizes the importance of balancing ambition with realism when building an emergency fund. She explains that in a true emergency, many non-essential expenses can be trimmed, so your necessary costs might be lower than your usual spending. This approach can make the goal feel less intimidating and more manageable. Even a modest emergency fund can make a big difference. A May study by investment firm Vanguard found that individuals with at least $2,000 saved for emergencies reported a 21% higher financial well-being score compared to those without any savings. This was the largest positive impact among various financial factors the study examined. Moreover, those who had both $2,000 and 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved scored 34% higher in financial well-being. Financial well-being here was measured using a questionnaire developed by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which assesses how secure and in control people feel about their finances. Paulo Costa, a senior behavioral economist at Vanguard and co-author of the study, highlights that having emergency savings not only boosts financial confidence, but also reduces stress and distractions related to money matters, improving overall quality of life. But here's the part most people miss. The size of your emergency fund isn't just about numbers. It's about peace of mind and resilience. In uncertain times, having even a small buffer can prevent a financial crisis from becoming a disaster. What do you think? Is the traditional advice of saving 3 to 6 months' expenses still realistic in today's economy? Or should we rethink what an emergency fund means in a world of rising costs and economic uncertainty? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about how we can better prepare for the unexpected. And if you're looking to improve your financial skills and stand out professionally, consider signing up for CNBC Make It's new online course, How to Build a Standout Personal Brand, online, in person, and at work. It offers practical tips on showcasing your talents, building a strong reputation, and creating a digital presence that even AI can't replicate. Don't forget to subscribe to CNBC Make It's newsletter
for ongoing advice on money, career, and life success.
Join our exclusive LinkedIn community to connect with experts and peers who can support your growth journey.